We will go ahead and get started. Thank you guys so much for joining today. Just to start off, this is the Building Success Forum for those of you if it's your first time joining. We are going to discuss some of the PhotoWin features and capabilities, as well as answer any questions on the mobile piece, as well as the web portal. And today, this is going to be the last one for the 2015 calendar year, and we'll start up again back in January. So today we're going to cover two topics. We're going to watch two videos, and then again, I'll open up the floor for questions, and we'll go into the mobile piece, and we'll go into the web portal for any questions and comments there as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first video we'll watch is going to talk about configuring filing on the web management portal for your PhotoWin account. And again, if you cannot see the screen, please let me know so that I can address it before we continue any further.
Thank you for choosing PhotoWin. In this video, I'll show you how to configure the filing hierarchy within your PhotoWin account. Once you are logged into the Web Management Portal, select Configurator up at the top. Next, select Filing on the left-hand side. This is where you'll be able to configure the filing hierarchy for your photo folders and your report folder. For the photo folders, you'll see a current folder order. This is what will appear within your storage account or your in-house server. If you would like to add a new folder to the list of folder options, type it in up here. You can also choose to add this folder to a report filing option. Once you have typed in the name, select Save, and it will become available for you. You can also change up the order by dragging and dropping from both sides to get the desired order for your filing hierarchy. The same options you have for photo folders is available for report folders. So by dragging and dropping, you can change the order, as well as typing in new folder names. Make sure to sync your mobile device to capture any changes made on the Web Management Portal. Thank you for choosing PhotoWin, and have a great day.
And so that right there is how you configure your filing. And when you want to make sure that if you want the same filing for your photos and your reports, that you apply the same changes to both sides of the screen, because changing just the photo folders will not affect the reports. You must do that as well. And I'm going to leave the floor open just for a minute or two for any questions on filing, and we'll move on to the next video. All right, so if we don't have any questions for filing, then I'll go ahead and move on into the next video. Let's see, where did it go? All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to create new tags and tag categories on the Web Management Portal.
Hey there, and thank you for choosing PhotoWin. In this video, I'll show you how to configure tags on the Web Management Portal. Once you're logged into the Web Management Portal, select Configurator up at the top. Then choose Tags on the left-hand side. This is where you'll create new tag categories and tag values for your photo and account. To create a new tag category, select Add Category on the left-hand side. First, choose a tag category name. Then select whether you would like the tag category to be a single selection or multiple selection category. Once you have made the necessary changes, select Save Changes at the bottom. Next, you'll enter in the tag values. Type in the values and select Add on the right-hand side. You can enter in as few or as many tag values as you would like for every category. You can also rearrange the order of the tags to represent your needs for your account. Once you're finished typing in all the values and arranging them in your order, you're finished configuring the tags for your photo and account. Make sure to sync your mobile device in order to capture any changes made in the web view. Thanks for choosing PhotoIn and have a great day.
And so when you're finished creating tag categories and adding values to them, you can also choose to set up your filing and including the filing folder of one of the tag categories that you created. So you could go from photo into photos to project, and then within project you can have subfolders based off of a tag category that you create in photo in. I'll go ahead and leave the floor open for another minute or so, just for any questions regarding tags and tag categories. Okay, I do have a question that asks, can you go back and edit any of the tag categories or the values that you create? You can, if you just go into the web portal and you go to the tag category under the configurator. For the tag categories, when you scroll over one and click on it, it's going to pop up a little pencil icon. If you click on the pencil icon, that's going to allow you to edit the name. If you want to change it from a single selection to a multiple selection, that's where you would do so. And then the tag values, you can add as many as you want, and you can also go in, there's a little X to the right of each tag value within that category, and you can choose to delete it as well. You'll also notice that all photo and accounts come with a construction trade tag category and the values already created for you. Those are editable. You can go and you can change the category name. You can rearrange and change the values by deleting or adding to it. That is just a category that comes with every account. Okay, if there's no more questions regarding the video, then I will go ahead and switch over to questions regarding the mobile app and the web portal. I'll open up the floor for those. Okay, we do have a question that says, can you use two storage providers at once? You cannot connect two storage repositories to the same photo and account. Two separate photo and accounts can use the same storage repository though. That is one that I can also follow up with after the call, this forum as well, to kind of dive into the answer a little bit deeper and in depth. But Strayline it, we cannot connect two storage providers at the time to one photo-in account. All right, I write another 30 seconds to a minute for any more questions. All right, if you have any other questions that you think of later on, please feel free to email me at any time. Oh, looks like we have maybe one more. Oh, it's another question talking about Dropbox. Right now, we do not have a direct connector to Dropbox, but coming in Q1 of the next year, we will be able to have a out-of-the-box connector to Dropbox as well. So that's something that we can always readdress in another Building Success Forum coming up in 2016. All right, so I will stay on for a few more minutes in case anyone thinks of any last minute questions. And if you think of some on later today or tomorrow morning, please feel free to email me at any time. My email address is Megan, MEGAN, @photoin.com. And just to fill you in on next year, we're going to be providing the Building Success Forum again for 2016. It's going to look a little bit different, but I will be sending out more information on that and the format and the schedule and the topics that we'll discuss, so you'll be informed and you can put these on your calendar again. And if you think of any topics that you want to hear discussed, please feel free to hit me up at any time. I would love to hear your feedback and your comments and be able to provide a more meaningful session for you guys. And like I said, I'll stay on for a few more minutes, but everyone enjoy their holiday season and have a very happy new year.